Well, it has been a bit of an active afternoon for some of us. We have been tracking some strong storms making their way through the region. Not everybody seeing that rain, but some of us seeing quite a bit of rain. Some really heavy rain still showing up in parts of southeastern Missouri. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning in place for Bollinger and Cape Girardeau County. That has now expired. But even still, lots of heavy rain just off to the east of Beale, extending down through Oak Ridge near the Fruitland area, and then a little bit further to the south near Cape Girardeau, Scott City, extending all the way down to Orrin. We still have some really heavy rain and lightning. The chance for these storms is going to continue really until after the sun sets. We did see a little bit of activity off into southern Illinois as well, but some of that rain has already started to fizzle out since I just talked to you a couple of minutes ago. Still seeing a little bit of light rain showing up in the Dixon Springs area, though. If you get caught in one of those storms, lightning, heavy rain, gusty winds going to be those main threats, and then those storms will quickly start to diminish. But check this out. Thanks to the storms and an outflow boundary that's slowly pushing to the south, some of us are getting a break from the heat, especially folks across southern Illinois. We have Marion coming in at 82 degrees, along with Mount Vernon, Cape Girardeau at 79. Unfortunately, folks, a little bit further to the south, still holding on to the 90s, 98 degrees in Sikeston and Poplar Bluff as well. Threat tracker bar going to be staying up this evening as we do continue to track the scattered storms moving through the area. As we get into tomorrow, we're talking about more storms coming in, but not really until the second half of the day do we see our cool down. So it's still going to be pretty hot as well. By Saturday, we finally start to see some of the cooler air settling into the area, but it is going to come with a few lingering showers throughout the day on Saturday. So a wide look of what we have going on in the satellite and radar. That system that is going to bring us the active weather by tomorrow evening is still off to our west, but it'll start to make its way closer to the area tomorrow. A chance for a few isolated showers late tonight and into the very early morning hours, and throughout the morning we could see some spotty activity as well. It's not until the afternoon, though, that we see the scattered chances more widespread across the region make their way into the area. And that's because that cold front is going to start to make its way in from the north and west. A chance that some of these storms could be on the strong side, very similar to what we've seen for the past couple of days. Those storms will continue to push through, honestly, through a good portion of the evening hours, and a chance that those showers linger for some of us into Saturday. Any showers on Saturday should be relatively isolated, lots of clouds throughout the day, but it will start to bring some nicer weather. This is the latest look at the SPC outlook for tomorrow. The entire area is highlighted under that marginal risk, so that's just a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5. Lightning, rain, gusty winds going to be possible as that front makes its way through. So Storm Track 3 app, keep that on standby. That's always great to have. Unfortunately, tomorrow is still going to be really hot. Our excessive heat warning has now been extended for a large portion of the area through tomorrow. So high temperatures still going to be climbing up ahead of that front, back up into the mid to upper 90s, 95 degrees for that high temperature. Winds out of the southwest tomorrow, and then that front will come through. Winds will shift back out of the northwest, and it'll all finally start to be a little bit more comfortable. We see that small chance for showers on Saturday, but look at that high temperature, 84 degrees for the high, and Sunday, lots of sunshine, 86 degrees. We warm up a little bit Monday into Tuesday, but then we have another little cool down by midweek.
Ooh, okay. And 84 at this point is almost going to feel breezy.
I know, it sounds fantastic.
It does. All right. Thank you, JC. And, folks, we're not the only